how to create cheaper cash account in Ghana. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Just go to Google and then type in cheaper cash. Okay, when it comes, just select the official site of cheaper cash, and then it will take you to this website. So over here on the website, you have the chance to install it on both the iPhone and then the Android. Okay, so let's use the Play Store and then install it. So when you go there, and then you will see the cheaper cash app just like this one. Just click on the install, wait for it to install, and then just click on the open. Okay, so when it click on it, this will come. Just close it. It is a way to show you through how to use the app. But when you look down here, you can see we have open free account. I want you to click on it. Okay, just click on open free account, and then it will bring you right here. Over here, you can verify your account through a phone number or an email. Okay, gone are the days when you use your phone number, it was the best, but now they are having some technical challenges, so it is good for you to use your email to verify. Okay, so all that you have to do is to use your email, and that one is faster. Okay, so just come here and then type in your email address, your current active email address, then click on the next. Okay, so let's do it. Let's type in the email address, and then over here they will send you a code into your email address, whereby you are going to go inside the email address just like this one. So we are in our email address, and you can see the code here. Just copy it and then come and paste it right here. Okay, so when you paste it, the next thing is to create your profile, and then over here you are going to type in your first name. After typing in the first name, you are then going to type in your last name. Then you have to put in your date of birth right here. After that, come down here and then select the country where you are sending the money from. So over here we have all these countries, but I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. Okay, so let me select Ghana, and then I will then come here and then click on the next. Okay, so the next thing is to select your citizenship. Okay, where are you citizens to? Okay, so just click on it and then select your country. Okay, just browse through. You will see a lot of countries, but please use where you are citizen to. Okay, so I am a Ghanaian, so I've selected a Ghanaian, and then click on the next. The next thing is to then put in your digital address. Okay, just put in your digital address just like this one over here, and then click on the next. After that, you have to select your cheaper cash tag. It is a unique username that is assigned only for you. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a cash tag. Okay, so this is an example of a cash tag. It is meant for only you. Just type it over here, and then when you look at it down here, we have confirm tag. Then you click on it. The next thing I have to do is to select the reason why you are creating the cheaper cash. Okay, so we have all these. You can select at least 3 of them. Okay, so select any of them, and then come down here and then click on the next. After that, then you have to select a password. Okay, just create a 4-digit password. This one you have to type it twice. Just type it in and then type it in again, and then your password will be created. So as you can see, we have successfully created our cheaper cash account. Okay, and over here when you look at the down, you can see we have proceed to home, and then you click on it and it will bring you right here to the home page. Okay, so over here when you look at the down here, we have the end. When you click on the end, you can refer friends. Okay, all I have to do is to just refer friends and then earn some commission as well. That is how it is. But before you can refer friends, you have to verify your account. So if you want to know how to verify your account, just leave it in the comment down below. So you can also invest in stock. Okay, all kind of stock here, you can invest on it. And then you can also get a cheaper cash card, a Visa card that you can use to shop all over the world. Okay, but before you be able to apply for the Visa card, you have to have a minimum balance in your account. So if you have this minimum balance, then you can apply for the cheaper cash card. In Ghana, it will cost you 15 cedis to have this card. So this is how to create a cheaper cash account.